Minasan, konnichiwa. It's time again for JWoww. For today's JWoww, I'm going to teach you the Japanese word for kitten and puppy. The Japanese word for kitten is koneko. Koneko. Koneko is easy to remember because all it is the Japanese word for cat, neko, with ko in front of it. The ko comes from the Japanese word for child, which is kodomo. 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 Then a koneko is like a child cat. You do the same thing for the Japanese word for puppy, ko-inu. The word for dog is inu, and then you put ko in front of it, ko-inu. Child dog. Oh, here's my ko-inu. So Minasan, I was walking around Tokyo the other day and I went into a pet shop and I saw the cutest koneko ever. And she was all white and cute and fluffy. And there was a cute koinu. So, Minasan, for your video response, say the word koneko and koinu, and show us a cute koneko or koinu. And here's a picture of a koinu who looks kind of like a koneko. I can't wait to see your video responses. Matane!